So, um, pallet jacks. Pallet jacks are needed in our logistics industry to move pallets from the nose of the trailer to the front of the trailer. So this is, from the nose of the trailer to the doors, if that makes more sense. Um, yeah, so you would have a pallet jack that would pick up the freight. The driver would put it underneath the pallet, do a few pumps, pull it out to the lift gate or to the docks, even if it's driver assist offloading, unloading, which is another accessorial fee. But yes, so that's what pallet jack accessorial fee might be, is when a pallet jack is needed on the trailer that is delivering your freight or picking up your freight. And likewise, this is something that's practiced in LTL a lot, but definitely in full truckload if needed. The rate might increase because of this, because that driver or that carrier needs to rent that pallet jack if they don't have it on their trailer. And like I said, LTL is, religious. They have it all the time, but full truckload, not so much. You definitely will see renting happening and searching for pallet jacks and running around like the local place where the pickup might happen to find a pallet jack to get this stuff taken care of. And standard is usually around $150 extra for the shipment for a pallet jack that's needed for the move.